Well, these are some things I don't know. Maybe I've seen them before, but not. I like the flowers. Always like the flowers. Always, always, always love the flowers. Wow. I wonder if these last one day and then they die. Looks like that might be the case. Way groovy. No names on these. It's alright. They're incredible. Yep, I'm aware of that one. I just don't know the name. Bumblebee. Look at that big bumblebee. Hello, bumblebee. I like bumblebees. They're way groovy. Look at that. I love this color. Yeah. So beautiful. Beautiful.